So ECESIS is a word or a step in the process of ecological succession. The ecological succession. Ecological succession is a process of changing the community of any plants or a changing in the structure of community. Whenever the structure of any community is being changing, like it is being developing into the grassland or ultimately into the forest, that is called succession. So in the succession, there are many steps involved, like nudation. Nudation means bearing of the land. Land ko bear karna is called nudation. Migration. In the migration, some spores or the seeds will be migrated to the new land where the ecological succession have to be taken place. So particularly this step, this ECESIS refers to the successful establishment of the spores or the seeds. ECESIS refers to the successful establishment of, if there are spores of the fungus or the lichens or the algae, or if there are plants itself, or if there may be seeds, etc. So once they are migrated, it is not sure that they will successfully or 100% they will be germinated at the new place. If this is a new place, the bare place or the bare area, there some of the pores have been arrived. I'll take the another color. They are the different kind of the spores. So it is not necessary that all of the spores which have arrived at this place or migrated at this place will successfully germinated. Among them, all of those species or the spores or the plants which are successfully established, they are called ECESIS plants or the ECESIS spores. So that process is called ECESIS. The successful establishment of the spores or the plants at the new area. Once they will be successfully established here, they will be now germinated and they will increase their number. Once they will be germinated, they will be adaptive. Because they are germinated, it means they are adaptable to that place. Now they will increase their number. So the successful establishment and the germination is refers to the ECESIS in the process of ecological succession.